Alright, what the fuck is going on, everybody? Am I recording? I am. I'm fucking recording. Yay! Alright, this is fun. I love riding my motorcycle. Oh my god. That's so nice. Alright, buddy. What the fuck is we doing here? So, what's up, everyone? Your boy PC Moto here. Just doing another vlog. Jesus Christ, bro. Learn how to drive this bitch. That'd be great. You need some help? You need some help driving it? You obviously don't know what you're doing. Had like 15 fucking opportunities to go. It's not that big of a truck. There you go. There you go. You got it. And I am clear. I am clear. Looks fucking beautiful out. Look at all these colored leaves. Look at all these leaves. Look at all these crazy colors. Look at all these blues and these reds and these greens and these purples and shit. Blue is kind of obviously fake, but whatever. We might see a blue tree tomorrow. Me and Ducati Man gonna ride out tomorrow. Do some leaf peeping. It's supposed to be a little chillier tomorrow than it is today. It's fun. It's fun. It's a good time. It's a good time when it's cold and shit. It's a good time when it's cold and shit, y'all. Anyway, what's going on with y'all? My mouth is dry. Anyway, riding down, just you know, doing a little cruise today. Get the bike nice and warmed up for the ride tomorrow with Ducati Main. I will always vlog, man. This shit's so much fun because I'm sitting here talking to myself while I'm on the bike anyway. I might as well be talking to subscribers. Which, by the way, I have 33 of those bastards now. Yeah, 33 subscribers. I'm famous. One of my videos actually has 200 views on it now, and that's the most I've ever had. And that's fantastic. It was like the second video that I put up with me riding with Merlin. Apparently people like that one. The first snowfall, you know, when the first snow falls, you're pretty much screwing me out of riding. That's pretty much what happens because shit doesn't melt. It doesn't melt and go away. It's always there. And my driveway will be covered in ice, and I'm not going to damage this baby to go out and be miserable riding in the snow and the ice for you guys. I live just about as far north as you can get living in the United States without living in fucking Alaska. So there's my thing on that. But February, in case anybody wants to know, February, me and Ducati Main are planning a trip down to Florida. We're gonna tow our bikes down and do some riding down there, get some footage in the middle of the winter so I can continue to post. I really do hope that I have enough footage to make it until February. I have a shitload of footage on my computer that I haven't done anything with yet. Whether it's usable or not, or whether it's even entertaining is one thing, but either way, I'm posting shit during the winter because I gotta practice, man. I gotta practice doing vlogs and editing the vlogs, man. I think with the amount of practice that I should get over the winter time without being able to ride, because riding is obviously my priority. I'd rather be riding than editing vlogs because that's the fun part. But during the winter, I won't be able to ride, so I should be able to edit a bunch of videos and increase my skill level editing said videos. This person in front of me is looking at me wondering why the fuck I'm talking to myself. But I'm doing a vlog. I'm talking to my camera. Yeah, I'm cool, man. You wish you were me. You wish you were me right now. On this bike, this badass jacket on. Look at this green jacket I'm wearing. It's badass. I love it. This will be a really good jacket to wear on the cafe, man, because it really fits that style. You know what I'm saying? Really fits that style. It's actually pretty freaking nice today, y'all. Right, what's up? Went to Wendy's, got some foods. I'm gonna pull over here into the parking lot and just make sure my bike ain't leaking any oil. And then I'm going home, eat my food, be with you. Yeah.
Right there.
I should go ask that bride if she wants a ride.
Yeah. We've had lots of comments about them.
Yeah?
You comment about them.
They look pretty pretty.
Well, you know why a bride smiles when she goes down the aisle? You know she's giving her last blowjob.
Dang, I'm gonna go in there.
You're a gangster.
Yeah, I am a gangster. I'm gonna go ask that bride if she wants a ride. Oh! You want to ride? Probably the last time. Okay. Congratulations, you guys have a good day. It's a fucking turn signal only lane, you jackass. What a fucking idiot. This fucking guy behind me. You know, the lane turns off to the left, and there's one lane that goes around to straight, and he just fucking goes in the left lane and decides to keep going straight like a jackass. Nearly killing motorcyclists because you're not paying attention. It's not smart. You should always pay attention. Woo! Grumble, grumble. No. I got a cop in front of me, man. I got a cop in front of me. I think it might be a detective. He's got them lights in the back. You got jackass here in the van behind me who decides that, you know, he doesn't need to turn from the old turn-only lane. He can just go straight and try to fucking kill motorcyclists, which is great. It's just fucking great. It's fucking awesome time. Thank you for being a turner. I appreciate it.